We had to come up with a name for our work holding division and thought about it, and we said, AMROK would be a good name, build on a rock. Customers time to time ask me, well, what does AMROK mean? And I explain to them, build on a rock, you gotta have a good solid foundation before you start. Why is the foundation so important in work holding to hold somebody's part? Well, they got high-tech cutters out there, and as the years go by, the advancement on technology is just growing like mad. And so they always have a better tool. But if you don't have a good grip on that part that you're machining for the customer, or it's not held solid enough, that's why we say build on a rock. It's got to be solid, because it doesn't matter what cutter you have. You're going to incorporate vibration issues, or the part would move and now you got a bad part. So it's very important that you're gripping that part very well. Build on a rock concept all started because, we're looking for a good solid foundation. What would be the best start-up foundation for a customer in their shop that would work for really any customer? And that's where we came up with tombstones with full grids and also grid plates on verticals. Because every hole is locating and mounting. It has a bushing and hardened threaded insert every 2 inch, whether it's a 1/2 inch system, 5/8 system. The reason we incorporate the 2 inch grid, because that becomes more of a modular setup, but yet it locates in any hole every 2 inch. That's the foundation that we start with, and then from there we build on it. What we try to do here at Advanced Machine, we have our own product line, but I also work with our competitors as well. That's no problem for us. We can incorporate that in our tombstones, design and build it. We do all kinds, whether it's a manual clamping, hydraulic or pneumatic, it doesn't matter. We do a complete turnkey where the customer don't have to do anything except put that tombstone all integrated with components right on their machine and go to town. You gotta have a solid foundation, and that's why you gotta build on a rock.